Hey Stack Stars, welcome to this video. Today I'm showing you how to add a workspace in Slack in just 3 easy steps. Whether you are managing multiple teams or switching between projects, this is the tutorial you need. Ready? Let's dive in. Alright, let's get started by opening Slack. Here what you need to do. Go ahead and click on the start menu, or you can search, type Slacks and click to open the app. If you haven't installed Slack yet, install it. Now let's add the workspace. Look on the left sidebar. You should see your current workspace. Click the plus icon right next to your workspace name. Select sign into another workspace from the menu. And boom, you are one click away from adding a new space. Time to log in. Let's get you set up. If you know your workspace URL, just enter it and click continue. Don't know the URL? No worries. Click find your workspace and enter your email. Or log in with Google or Apple if you have those connected. Once you are in, you can easily switch between workspace. Click your profile picture and select the one you want. It's super simple. And that's it, you have added a workspace in Slack. Super quick, right? Now you can collaborate with multiple teams in one place. Like this video if this helped you, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and thank you for watching.